That's pretty neat looking. You're gonna look sharp on your new bike.
The cover of the helmet.
Yeah, it's a little bag case to put it in when you're traveling.
What? A helmet?
Yeah, it doesn't get ruined.
Like when you throw it, you put it in the car and stuff.
I'm gonna put it in to protect it. The Grandpa already got banged up. Well, I guess it was in the box. Santa is nice. Santa is really nice. And I'm a good boy, so that happens.
You sure are a good boy, buddy.
I admire this one most, and it's Legos. We're getting so many Legos this year.
Oh God, Santa knows you really
Oh
want
my
to play.
gosh, look at that. I can make 3 houses in one.
Wow.
Or maybe they're different versions.
Versions.
Yeah, I'm trying to say that.
Virgins is something completely different.
I don't know.
Wow, look at all that loot from Santa. Lucky you, Rob.
Yeah.
You got
You
everything
still have more.
from Santa or from...
No, from
No.
Santa he's done, but he's still got more presents though.
Wow. That's a pretty good loot pile.
What's a loot pile?
Pile of gifts.
Ah!
Got your bike and your Legos.
Hmm. Wait. What are those presents around here? Dad, did he throw some of my presents away?
Oh yeah, I threw a lot of your presents away. That's what I do when there's too many. No, what are you looking for?
The 2 boxes.
They're right over there. I put all Papa Tony's gifts together.
No, the different ones.
Which ones?
The boxes that you opened to make sure they were wrapped or not. What are those?
Those were my gifts, right? Those weren't for you.
Oh.
That's what I'm taking this video with right now.
Whoops! Gosh! I wonder what this could be.
What's that?
Maybe it's a golf case.
I don't know. Let's see. Bring it over here.
Yeah! There's a monkey on top.
I don't think it's a golf case.
You want to get a lunchbox.
Oh yeah.
It's a lunchbox?
Look at that. How did Papa Tony know you needed a new lunchbox?
You put it on his Christmas list. Oh, how cute. Is that okay? You like it?
Yeah, I love it.
Yeah, it's so cute. A little monkey lunchbox. Here. Put it over there.
I want to show the camera.
Down lower.
There. Let me show it this.
They're too close.
Don't move it.
All right, stop being such a ham and open some more gifts.
I really like that. I wonder what this could be. How can I open this? Little help here. Opening the knot. Make sure to tie good knots. Just open the knot.
Get the scissors.
I know.
Here.
Mom's not there. Ooh, Wii game, Wii.
What is that? A steering wheel for Wii.
Hmm.
Weird. Let me see.
Maybe because he thinks I got something. Maybe this is my steering wheel, which I don't prefer. Yeah. Whoops. Well, anyway.
Somebody cut that one?
No. Yeah, I just try to cut it. Again. So I hope there's not another steering wheel.
Oh.
Steering wheel.
Kart. Now we can play together. We got 2 steering wheels and Mario Kart. You and I can drive against each other.
Yeah.
It's a racing game.
Yeah.
Wow. You get 2 Mario games for the Wii. Sweet. I can't wait.
Oh, there's a whole bunch of people you can pick from.
I can't wait to race against you.
I'll be Mario. And you can be Luigi. Is this one for me?
Yep, that was from me, Ma.
That's from me, Ma.
Who does that one say?
Ronan. I admired this one the most from all of these.
Oh, look what it is from your grandma. You know what it is?
So I guess gift cards.
Yeah.
And more
Target
than one.
gift card.
More than one.
Let me see.
Look. More than one. Whoa!
They're little coins. They're $5 each.
Ah! Great. I'll show it to a camera.
Who's that one say?
Back up a little, buddy. You're too close.
Ronan. I can read, Mom. You don't have to ask me.
I know, I just want to make sure that you're standing for Daddy and Mom.
I always will read it. Or I'll ask you instead. Pants.
Shorts.
Oh, shorts. Look. Ah, that was sticking to me. This may stop really looking at it. Ah, and the cards on top, right? Is this the one
Yep.
with the card?
Yep.
Good. I wanted to make sure.
You still?
No,
You can take a break and come back.
this is Anna and Kyle.
Yep.
Because I have Anna and Kyle in my class, so I kind of get mixed